Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the DXZ U14 A3 DTF printer, a game-changing machine that's about to revolutionize the way you print on fabrics. This incredible device comes with a plethora of features that will make your printing experience faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. From precision printing to vacation-proof auto maintenance, and from a true 14-foot print width to one-click print to bake and 24/7 auto maintenance, this printer has it all. Let's start with the precision printing capabilities of the DXZ U14. This machine features a high-performance F1080 Printhead that delivers 2880 by 1440 DPI ultra-sharp, vibrant designs while printing at speeds up to 500 millimeters per second. What does this mean for you? It means you can get professional, eye-catching results on every t-shirt and garment without keeping you waiting. The fast output and crisp details will result in a higher daily throughput for your business, allowing you to take on more projects and increase your revenue. Whether you're a small business owner or an individual looking to start a printing hobby, this feature will undoubtedly take your printing experience to the next level. Another feature that really caught my attention is the vacation-proof auto maintenance. We've all been there. We go on vacation, and when we come back, our printer is clogged, and we have to spend hours cleaning and maintaining it. Well, those days are behind us, thanks to the DXZ Holiday Mode. This mode automatically performs printhead moisturizing, nozzle cleaning, and whitening circulation while the printer is idle. Whether you're away for a weekend or an extended vacation, your printer stays protected and ready to print when you return. This feature is a total game changer, giving you the peace of mind to take a break from your printing business without worrying about the maintenance of your machine. The true 14-foot print width of the DXZ U14 is another feature that sets it apart from other printers on the market. Unlike 13-foot printers that limit your output, the Ultra 14 delivers a genuine 14 printing width, allowing you to print transfers for kids wear, adult plus sizes, hoodies, and bags without splicing or outsourcing. This means you can scale your custom t-shirt business instantly, taking on larger projects and increasing your customer base. With one machine, you have unlimited size potential, making it easier to grow your business and increase your profits. But that's not all. The DXZ U14 also features one-click print to bake and 24/7 auto maintenance. This advanced automated system includes built-in moisturizing, scheduled cleaning, and auto upkeep, reducing downtime, prolonging printhead life, and making maintenance stress-free and fully automated. This feature is a huge time saver, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business while the printer takes care of itself. And with the ability to print on multiple fabrics, including cotton, polyester, blends, and other materials, you can create custom apparel, promotional products, and personalized gifts with ease. In conclusion, the DXZ U14 14-foot A3 DTF printer is an incredible machine that's packed with features that will take your printing experience to the next level. From precision printing to vacation-proof auto maintenance, and from a true 14-foot print width to one-click print to bake and 24/7 auto maintenance, this printer has it all. If you're looking to start or grow a printing business, or simply want to take your printing hobby to the next level, this machine is definitely worth considering. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the DXZ U14 14-foot A3 DTF printer and start creating stunning prints with ease. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your printing experience. Get your DXZ U14 today and take your business to new